Yo, what is good, ladies and gentlemen? It is your favorite guy, Mr. Brown Guy, and today we're gonna make something amazing. Something that I've got a request on Instagram, in my DMs, by you guys and girls, of course. I'm gonna make protein pancakes. Now, before we've made waffles, but this is only gonna be with 4 ingredients. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ingredients that you are going to need in order to make this amazing. But first of all, say hello to my little friend. Hello. Oh, look at this beautiful little face. Oh. Now the pancakes aren't just any pancakes that we are making. We are gonna make protein pancakes. And in order to make protein pancakes with 4 easy ingredients, this is what you're going to need. So first of all, we are going to use protein powder. After that, we're going to use some Skyr. If you don't have Skyr in your country, you can use Greek yogurt. The only thing you need to see right here is 0.2% fat. Now you can go with whole eggs, that's up to you, but I like to have clean proteins when I make my pancakes. So that's why I'm only going to use egg whites, pure egg whites, nothing else. And last and not least, bananas. We are going to use 1 banana. If you want it a little bit thicker, a little bit more tasty, yes, you can use 2 bananas. That's up to you. I wouldn't advise it because then it's going to get too thick and yeah, it's going to screw up your whole process right here. So 1 banana for 1 serving is enough, all right? A while ago, my dad told me, don't work harder, work smarter. And that's what we are going to do today. So take all these ingredients, put it in a Ninja blender, a NutriBullet, whatever you have it, and mix it up. It's going to make it easier for you and there's less cleaning to do. So there you have it, protein Skyr pancakes right here. I apologize if there's noises around my house. It's not a freaking ghost. No, it's actually some workers who are just doing their job. Yeah. So apologies for the noise, but protein Skyr pancakes. This right here has approximately 210 calories. That's literally nothing. In 1 single normal pancake, you can have between 400 to 600 calories. Now that's a lot. This whole stack, only 210. Now when it comes to carbs, fats, and proteins, yes, carbs, we have around 20 grams of carbs. Fats, 7. A protein, around 60 grams. 60 grams? No. See, I'm not gonna tell you a fairy tale, anything like that. This right here, you need to do it. You need to follow it, you need to eat it, and trust me, it's delicious. I'm gonna eat this whole thing myself. It's good. It's good. Now the next thing you need to do is subscribe to the channel, like the video, and tell your friends and family all about the gains you can make right here, alright? I'll see you soon.